What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking about a huge e-commerce brand that actually started out with drop shipping, a product that you guys have probably seen before. And this brand has already hit 7 figures and makes at least 100K plus per month, mainly on TikTok. And in this video, you're going to learn exactly how they were able to do this, how they started, and how you guys can utilize the same exact principles to do the exact same thing. Because at the end of the day, we want to move from drop shipping into building an actual brand where we have our own inventory, logo design, and returning customers. So make sure you guys stick to the end of the video because this is the best way to do dropshipping in 2023, especially if you don't have that much money to start or even $0. So the brand that we're gonna be talking about today is High Peak Co. And they actually sell this mini projector that I'm sure you guys have seen mainly all over TikTok and even with Facebook ads. But this product is actually blown up on TikTok over the past couple of years. And I do believe that High Peak Co was one of the original people that started selling it. And you guys can see that their account has over 100,000 followers, 3.7 million likes. And the cool thing about their account is that they started just by uploading organic content. So if you guys scroll all the way to the bottom here, you can see that their very first video was like this action figure character. And they even started selling the Flippa toy, this like fidget toy that was selling extremely well like a year ago. Like for this product, they got 158,000 views. I think that was their most viewed video for that one. And then they continued on to start testing the mini projector. Like their first video of this mini projector was actually about a year ago. And that video didn't even get that many views. And then their second video that they uploaded here got around 100,000 views. And really they were only uploading like one video per day. But the thing is with every single one of these videos with TikTok, if you're able to have a very high quality video and also one that has a really good scroll stopper, like you guys can see in this video right here where he's actually responding to somebody that says best purchase I've ever made, and he's showing these Squid Games in the background, can basically just project anything that's on your phone into any flat surface. And just by going through their account, like their very first super viral video was this one right here that has almost 5 million views. And this video is over 30 seconds long and projecting Pokemon on the wall. But the main thing that I do want you guys to recognize is that how consistent they are in uploading quality and super eye-catching content. And actually their most viral video was uploaded recently. This has 21 million views, you guys. And this was uploaded in November, so it wasn't even that long ago. And it's just like a customer review or a testimonial of their product. And I've actually seen this specific video being used for paid ads through their account. And this whole entire video is almost a minute long, and the reason why it performs so well is because it acts as like a UGC or user generated content. So these types of videos will always perform well because they act as like a social proof for the product. And actually, you guys, I have to correct myself. Their most viral video is this Jeffrey Dahmer video of the mini projector with 21.7 million views. And you guys can already guess as to why this video did so well. And that's mainly because they're keeping up with trends. And that is a huge thing that you guys need to have on TikTok. If you guys can combine trends along with customer testimonial videos and reviews of products just like this one, you guys can go super viral. And one of the main ways that you guys can keep up with these types of trends going on is just following trend alert accounts on TikTok, spending 5 to 10 minutes a day at least scrolling on your TikTok feed to see what's currently trending. Another example is like Andrew Tate. A lot of people went super viral on TikTok with their product just because they're using Andrew Tate in their video. And then their third viral video is this one with 18 million views. And the reason why this one was able to go so viral is because it shows that people can actually use their phone and connect Bluetooth to this mini projector. That way they don't have to connect like a USB or anything like that. They can directly hook up their phone to this, which makes it a lot more easier compared to a lot of other devices. And we also need to talk about exactly why this product was selling so well. And you can really think of 3 different top reasons as to why. Obviously, it has a really good wow factor. It stops people from scrolling on their TikTok feed. And that's mainly because it's something that you can't find in like a Walmart or Target. It also comes down to the fact that this projector is super high quality. And then secondly, too, is that it has a very wide market, right? Like everyone has a phone. Everyone likes to watch streaming services like Netflix, HBO, Hulu. People really love to watch these types of things and don't want to have to buy like a giant TV or anything like that. And they always watch them on their phone. So if they were able to project that somehow on any surface and take it with them anywhere, that solves a very big problem for a lot of people. And you can even go on Amazon and see the wide market of people that love this product and just the overall reviews for these products as well. This market has absolutely exploded. There are all types of different variants of it. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the price of TVs have dropped drastically over the past couple of months to even year, mainly because people are not even buying them anymore. They're buying things just like these and streaming things from their phone. So overall, this product check marks all the top 3 categories for a winning product, and that's having a wow factor, it has a very wide market, and then it also solves a very big problem. Now, going onto their website, you guys can see that they have some sort of niche store. It doesn't look super complicated. It looks very simple and clean. The overall branding for it isn't all that great. But they do sell a wide variety of different products. They even have like merchandise and different different mini projector cases you can have, different variants. They're even trying to test other products like this humidifier that we saw a couple of months ago. And if I were them, honestly, like if you guys are selling this product, create a one product store for it and brand it a lot better. Like you want more yellows in here. You want to make sure that your overall branding of your Shopify store represents the overall variant of your product that is selling the best. So it looks like they have a variant for $75 and then one for $200. Now, if we go to the $75 one, which I think is the one that they probably make the most money off of, you can see how simple their product page is, right? Like they have all these different pictures demonstrating the product, very clear and very high quality photos, which is exactly what you want. Obviously, these are all custom. You know, these aren't something like if you're at this point, you don't want to be just stealing photos online. And they also are using GIFs on their website as well, demonstrating the product like I mentioned in my last video. Like if you guys haven't watched my last video on how to build a Shopify store, one product branded Shopify store, step by step, then you guys need to do that. All this stuff isn't going to make sense for you, so make sure you check that out. And I think the thing that sells this product the most is how it says that you can connect to almost every device, right? PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, any laptop, PCs, Fire, Roku sticks. And it shows everything right here. And it's really an all-encompassing device that you can use to stream any type of video. And this is a 7-figure store, you guys. Like you don't have to have some crazy theme. You don't have to have a crazy product page. As long as you keep it simple, straight to the point, the main thing that you need to worry about is your product and marketing, which is exactly what they did here. Now, if we go on AliExpress, you guys can see that you can get this product for around $30. And there's a handful of different variants, but you guys have to understand that this brand is no longer drop shipping this product. They went from just drop shipping it from maybe AliExpress or some other supplier to actually having inventory, having their own warehouse, 3PL that fulfills everything for them on autopilot. So if you were a dropshipper just trying to get into this product, you would definitely want to sell it for at least around $90. And just by having inventory, these guys have the upper hand on everyone because of their super fast shipping, customized packaging, and the ability to lower their price compared to a lot of other dropshippers just because they have that heavy discount on their products because they buy in bulk. And a tool that you guys also need to be using is SimilarWeb. This way you guys can see how much traffic a site is currently getting and really start to understand how viral a product is and how much they're spending on ads. Like you guys can see here that their global rank is 600,000 and also their country rank is 150,000. This is extremely good. So the smaller this number is, the more traffic that you have on your store. And you guys can see that it actually increased in the past month, especially within the United States. And if we scroll down here, you guys can see that over the last 3 months, high peak global ranking has increased from 1 million to 600,000, which means they're scaling this product up and making even more money. They'll even break down within the last 3 months of how much traffic they're getting to their store. And it'll also tell you the countries that they're currently targeting and which ones bring in the most traffic. So they get 33% from the United States, 10% from the Netherlands, and so on. Another cool feature about this website as well, like if you're running paid ads and you wanted to figure out exactly who you wanted to target in terms of age range, you guys can see that they have this down here. And it seems like they're mainly targeting people from 18 to 44. So if you guys were to test this product out, I would do within that age range. It's mostly organic traffic that they're running. And that's a cool thing about having a just completely organic TikTok account. When you can build something up like this, you have a very big social proof and foundation. And you can also run paid ads from an account just like this. So if a customer just randomly sees your ad on their feed, they can click on your profile, see that you have this many followers, this many likes, this many videos, and they'll feel a lot safer from buying from your product store. And the crazy thing about this, you guys, you can start all of this for free. A lot of people think that you need a ton of money to start dropshipping. And I'm not saying this is easy, but if you can start a TikTok account, which is completely free, if you have a decent phone, like I have an extra iPhone X that I use for filming, you have that, you can order the product off of Amazon for maybe $20 to $30. Create your own content, be consistent, upload 3 to 5 times per day. Follow trends, maybe send the product to your friends and family to create videos just like them. I promise you guys, you can see some really good results this year. Because you have to remember, you guys, we're not even buying inventory for the product. Because you have to remember, you guys, we're doing drop shipping here, and just starting out, you don't have to buy any of these products, and you can just order the product once a customer places an order on your website. And you really have nothing to lose. And you guys are also probably wondering, well, how can I find these types of products just like these, hop on them early, and build a 6 or 7 figure brand? And one of the best ways that you guys can do this, and not a lot of dropshippers talk about this, especially on YouTube, but one of the best ways you guys can do this is contacting your suppliers and building a really good relationship. And you can simply do this by going on AliExpress, sorting by the most orders for certain products, and going to those suppliers. Like you can see here that this supplier has 61,000 followers, so they're a decently big store. So you can click on their store right here, see all the different types of variety of products that they sell. And you have to understand, when these types of suppliers have this large volume of products, reviews, orders, and followers, they're already going to know the types of products that are selling extremely well. So your job at that point is to actually reach out to them, follow them, reach out to them, and ask them, be like, hey, I'm really interested in your products. You have a lot of really cool and high quality products. Say I'm an experienced dropshipper. I've been in the game for a while, and I was really interested in asking you if there were any really trending products that are really starting to take off now and are perceived to do really well this year. Because at the end of the day, these suppliers want to make money as much as you guys do. So if they're able to provide you with products that are currently selling well in hopes that you can sell them very well, just like some of the competitors, then they're not going to hesitate whatsoever. So don't be afraid to start dropshipping this year, you guys. There's really no excuse as to why you can't start, since the cost to start has basically been taken out. You guys just have to take action and understand that this process is not going to just go from 0 to 100 really quick. You want to make sure that you build a really good foundation, especially if you want to sell a product for long term, just like them, and eventually sell your brand for 7 or even 8 figures. With that being said, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got a ton of value out of it. I upload basically every single day, and I also upload a bunch of shorts as well. So be sure to subscribe down below for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.